Hello everyone. Today we shall look into Circle KPI Gauge. I have a sample data which you could see here, employee and his progress. Here I have a slicer which is employee. I have brought my custom visual which is Circle KPI Gauge by uh, selecting the get more visuals in marketplace. I have added the visual. Once I select this Circle KPI Gauge, you could see that there is only one single value requested. I'll bring my progress of employee. As soon as I bring my progress of employee, you could see that uh, for my quality engineer, the progress is 60%. I will help you with the formatting things. You could understand that this is how the Circle KPI Gauge forms. Let us quickly go to the format of visual. I have this circle properties. Suppose that you want to change the property of the circle and like custom the font size, you could turn it on and increase the font size accordingly. I'll keep the font size as 60. You could see that the font size has now changed. You could change the font color. You could keep the background color as well, like this. Here I don't want the background color, so I'll keep it white. uh, you can use the minimum threshold and maximum threshold values. Suppose that I keep the minimum threshold as 40 and maximum threshold as suppose 80. Here I have my low color, medium color and high color. I'll change the colors. Suppose that for low I want red, for medium I want yellow, and for high I want green. Okay, here I'll change the employee and see. Now the red color is appearing over the outer line. For 35%, for 80% it is green, and for 60% it is yellow as expected. Okay, let us now see few more things. Here we can change the inner color, but this inner color is nothing but this ring which you are able to see. I can change that color to different color. Now you could see that it has changed to orange color, light orange color. You could change even to darker one. Here the outer line I'll keep it to gray. The outer line width, this is the outer line which you could see. If I want to increase its width, I can increase its width so that it will show the like distribution appropriately. Suppose that I want this width of inner line also to be increased, I could increase its width as well. Now you could see that the gray line width is has increased. Here the amendment size is this size which you are able to see. I would be able to shift its location from inner side to outer side gradually. Now you could see that my circle has shifted gradually to the outer side. So these are a few formatting settings with respect to Circle KPI Gauge. You could play around with it. Now you could see that as I change the circle, you could see the differences. If you don't like the amendment size, you could bring back it to like value 3. You could see the changes, how it is, and you could play with it.